Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kay, and today's another highly requested video, which is what can I do to land that first junior developer role. Now, you may have just graduated from university in a computer science degree, or you may have just finished a bootcamp and you're looking to get that first role. Now, what I've got are 3 easily actionable tips which should greatly increase your chances of landing that first role, and they shouldn't take you very long, around about 30 minutes. So let's get into it. Step 1. LinkedIn assessments. Now, you should already have your LinkedIn details updated on your main page with the different technologies and frameworks that you're familiar with. If you scroll down, you'll see this Take Skill Quiz button. That's essentially a quiz on a language or framework that you can take, and upon passing it, you can display a badge which indicates you're familiar enough with the basics of that technology. Now, although that's a good indicator for recruiters, it's not the main reason I'd advise doing it. Periodically, you'll be advertised jobs based off of your skills badge. So you can see that I have the C# badge, which is why I'm one of the first to receive these C# developer job ads. And here you can see another one that's similar to the one above. Step 2. Optimize your GitHub. Now, you should already have a GitHub with some of your main projects in repositories. In fact, I'd advise keeping your GitHub updated constantly just to rack up those commits. You can see I have a GitHub CV and my main projects which I like to display. Ensure the front page has your top projects and have a 1 to 2 line description about what the project is. Be descriptive but concise. Now, my GitHub CV displays the same projects as above, but with links to deployments and some additional details about the technologies used to build it. My GitHub CV also includes the usual such as education and career history. If you don't have a GitHub CV, I'll include a link to mine and you can clone and adapt it however you like. Step 3. Tech-tailored platforms. Now, there are generic job platforms such as Indeed and Reed. However, you typically find that these are more saturated with applicants and the UI is very generic. JobServe is tailored for IT and tech professionals, which was recommended to me by someone who has worked in the industry for several years. I've had a lot of success in getting interviews using JobServe and have known several people land their first junior developer role using this platform. It's fairly easy to sign up, and you'll typically find that there's a greater volume of more relevant jobs posted on JobServe. The last platform I want to go through is Otto, which is another one tailored for junior devs. It works a bit like a dating website where jobs will be matched to you based off of your skill and experience. You can save these jobs for later or discard them. However, I found Otto to be the most descriptive and helpful when it comes to exactly what level of skill they're looking at, in addition to offering a good supply of new jobs each week. Typically, these jobs will be direct advertisements from the company itself, so you should tailor your application to each individual company. That being said, I've also managed to secure some interviews myself through Otto in the past, and I would definitely recommend the platform. So thanks for watching, guys, and like always, if any of these tips were helpful for you, then please do like and subscribe, share the content for anyone you think it will benefit, and I will see you in the next one.